a garden. Hey boy, can you give me some beanstalk? Hey boy, can you give me some beanstalk? Give me your green stuff. I see. Give me your green stuff. You motherfucker. You didn't give me, huh? I'm gonna go to my farm. You wanna sex with me? I wanna fuck you, bitch. Be friend here. I don't like you now, bitch. I wish I had no friend in Roblox like this boy, bitch. Yes, my cousin is right, bitch. Can I take this out? Why, bitch? Why this is not good? Yeah. How? Maybe this Mura. Maybe this is Mura. Let's see if this is Mura. Hey, it's Mura. It's Mura. How can I not sell this up? Yes, I can sell this. If you give me your garden, I will give you my garden. If you give me your garden, I will give you my garden.
With 50?
Give me your garden, I will give you my garden.
Alang gagga ang kulog global.
If you give me your God, I will give you my garden. How about if you give me your God, I will give you my garden. Oh God. Ano meaning na ka na? Okay. Okay. Kung itao mo ka na kay iyong garden. 295. Kung tao mo iyong garden ka na kung itao kang garden kami mo. Kung itao mo ka na ka ng garden mo, itao kang garden kami mo. If you don't give me your garden, I will steal all of your stuff in your garden. Kami na garden? I had a Robux. I can take all of your
June 9,
I take your beanstalk. I take your beanstalk. I will take Ay, kambal ko, I take your beanstalk ko na bigyan mo or ko doon. I take your beanstalk.
Ikalon, ting na ba hindi sila ka? Oo naman, yoga din.
Paano naman ano yung hanggang kwarta ko? Ano? Kaya may snail ko. Mahadang snail. May ano kapag may apple. Madang. Ang pangkat ano? Ang pangkat yun?